I'm Tiana Willis, and this is my introduction. Educational background. I'm currently a senior marketing major from Columbia, South Carolina, and I will be graduating in May of 2020. And after graduation, I plan to continue my education at Coastal Carolina University to earn my master's in business administration through their master's program. And my anticipated completion date would be 2021. Professional background. I have worked at Texas Roadhouse as a hostess. I was a social media intern for 1AM Sheet, which is a mentoring program for young females. I was a sales associate for Charlotte Russe, and I'm currently a marketing intern for Airmark on Coastal Carolina University's campus. Future career aspirations. My aspiration is to be an event marketing specialist, and their job involves brainstorming, marketing campaigns, heavy planning, and building awareness before, during, and after events. I want to also concentrate in promotions and advertising while doing these events. And I enjoy being hands-on and getting to know the customer. And I also believe you must first follow to lead, and I enjoy building relationships with people as well as getting the opportunity to travel. My concept of the ideal 21st century leader is someone who sees opportunities in everything, has self-awareness, has the managed to change, inspires and motivates other people, and is innovative with their ideas. To me, effective leadership is having a vision of change. An effective leader is passionate in what they do, and they always put others before themselves. It involves bringing people together to find their purpose and to live up to their full potential. And I believe that we all can be effective leaders in some sort, whether in our personal lives or in our business lives. Thank you.